this is Noreen again from Joy of Cards, and you've purchased a card kit. And one of the cards you picked was Happy Day. It's like a lily pad Happy Day. And this one's really cool because the pink and the greens, except for the froggy, are all custom inked. So I went ahead and did that and cut everything for you. So what you're going to find in your packet is your card base, and it's 5.5 by 4 1/4. And let's go ahead and do the inside first. So you're going to grab this nice big piece of custom inked green, and you're going to snail it up and just put it on there like so. And then you're going to have a pre-cut for your sentiment here, and we're going to put it on like so. And then you're going to have the little lilies, and it's done in a light green, and we're going to go ahead and use the fine tip glue and put a nice string of that down there and pick it up. And I like to use my tweezers for something like this so I don't get my hands full of ink. And I'm going to line it up with the top of the white piece of paper. And then you're also going to have this little strip here. It's also custom inked, and you can snail that. And we're going to put it right on the bottom. And that's the inside of the card. That's pretty easy. Now the outside of the card, what you're going to start with is your custom inked pink piece of paper. And we're going to put it right here. I'm going to put it this way. Okay. And then you've got an already pre-cut square here, and we're going to stick that right in the middle. Okay, now you've got these flowers, you've got a lily pad, two small ones and one large lily pad, a frog, and Happy Day. Let's go ahead and put in Happy Day first, because that's the one you got to squeeze in anyway. So we're just going to use our fine tip glue. And if you're just watching this video and you haven't ordered a card kit, go ahead and email me at noreen@joyofcards.com, and you can become a member of the card kit club. That means you get birthday stuff. I do free drawings every month. You get a first crack at my retired products. When things are all retired, I get rid of them. So you get a first crack at that. And all kinds of other perks. You know, you can get to know sales and promotions and all this good stuff. Catalogs, everything. So, okay, I put Happy Day on, and now I'm going to go ahead and fix the flowers together. And these are from the lily pad set, which was really cool, and it continued. So it's in the new catalog. And I'm going to fine tip glue. Like I said, the part number for the fine tip glue is in the details of my video, and also a direct link to my site. So if you want to order this stuff, and it's amazing. I haven't had a glue like this with a tip that works so well ever. So Stampin' Up did a good job on that one. So I'm gonna glue the other flower and put it on like so. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my lily pad here, and I'm gonna snail that one. I'm gonna put it on first, and then I'm gonna take the lighter one, or the darker one actually, and put it on there. Then I'm going to take my big flower. I'm going to put them off to the side a little bit so you can see the lily pad. And then the small lily pad I'm going to put right here. And then I'm going to put the flower on. And this cute little froggy that's in By the Dock. I love the little frog. So I'm going to actually glue him down because he's a little small. And I do this every month. You can pick and choose which cards you want to do from like the month before or whatever. You're not like stuck with any you know, designated cards. You can choose whatever you want. So that's the card. So go ahead and if you have any comments, please put them in the thing below. And if you want to do a card club, email me at thenoreen@joyofcards.com, or you can just go on joyofcards.com and subscribe there. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's it. Bye.